Welcome, my name is Balaj and we are here in Budapest, a beautiful day. I was wakeboarding a little bit. This day is coming to an end, and while I was wakeboarding, I was listening to some great tunes while I was waiting in line, because I have the brand new JBL Xtreme 2 right now here for you guys. It just arrived 2 days ago. I took it with me here, unboxed it already, but I put it back in a box for you so guys can see what you will get for your 300 bucks or even less if you buy it on JBL.com. There's some good deals always, because you can get, for example, a Clip 2 for free, a JBL Go for free if you buy something above 100 bucks or something like that. So check that out. So here is the box itself, which is also renewed. Not only the speaker itself, sounds now a little bit better and looks a little bit better. So we have here the black one. There's multiple colors available obviously soon, and then we have here a few new pictures on the side, and on the back you can see also the new design from the side, and that we still have 15 hours of battery life with a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. We have now JBL Connect Plus, which means you can connect your Flip 4, your Charge 3 and all kinds of other speakers like the boombox also, and multiple hundreds at the same time to play the same music, which is quite awesome. And no, I still don't know when the Xtreme 1 is getting that update to also be able to connect Plus, but maybe it's getting it. So let's continue. It's waterproof, so you will see at the end of the video a little clip where I put the speaker in the water so you guys can see that it's swimming obviously by itself, but the sound won't be the best. And then on the side you can see we have also a new clip or hanger on the side, so you can now open your beer bottles with it also if you have glass cans, and no twist tops, because here in Europe you usually don't have twist tops, so that's quite a nice addition. But enough about the box, let's see what we get inside. For example, here a new picture from the beach. Unleash the sound, completely wireless. Then the first thing you will get right away is the speaker itself, which is quite heavy. We have 2.4 kilograms, to be exact 2,393 grams. I just remember because I checked it out 5 minutes ago in the manual, which is also inside the box. Then we have here that hanger for your shoulder or where you want to put the speaker, and then we have here your connectors and your charging cable. You need to charge the speaker, sadly, not via micro USB, but via regular like kind of a notebook charging system, because it has such a big battery that you still need to charge it 4 to 5 hours to completely charge it up for up to 15 hours of playback. But at the maximum volume you will still get 4, 5 or even 6 hours of sound, depending on what kind of music you play. If it's classic it will be more, if it will be really deep and bassy it will be less. So here we have the speaker itself, beautiful black design. We have a new top parts. If you haven't seen my hands-on video in Vegas at the CS 2018, on the bottom you have also new legs, and you have here on the side you can see here also these metal parts, which has even a JBL logo here, which is quite nice. On the side we have now rubber parts here for the passive radiators, also here with the JBL logo, just the exclamation mark, and here we have the JBL logo with the exclamation mark written out. This is an original one, which you can see here on the beautifully made design, and we have Xtreme 2 here on the back, which I can open up, which is sometimes a little bit hard to open, but right now I got it just right. So we have here full USB port, so you can use 2 amps at 5 volts for example charging your iPad or your smartphone as a quick charging system here. So the 10,000 milliamp could charge your Samsung Galaxy S9 twice, your iPhone 3 times, and so on. Then we have the line in. You don't have a line in cable in the box, but if you don't want to use Bluetooth to have a longer battery life, you can use line in. And we have a micro USB, which you don't need, that's just for service and updates. So if you send it in somewhere, they will know when you bought it, and so on and so on. And then we have the power plug, which is a big bulky little plug here on the back. Then we have the on and off switch on the top, and the buttons that you already know from the first Xtreme, like the volume rocker, plus minus separately. We have Bluetooth button, play and pause button, and also the Connect Plus button to connect up to hundreds and thousands of JBL speakers with each other. So let's check out what else we get, like the charging cables. UK and European one in my case. In the US you would probably just get one, I think. On the other side, more importantly, the power adapter, the PSU, and some reading material where I will show you the technical specs if they want to come out. So I won't go through the manual, just will show you the exact technical details because JBL is not listing them on the website usually, like that we have 55 Hz to 20 kilohertz, for example, impedance. Then we have 83 decibels as a maximum volume level, and the other specs that I, for example, just told you, like 10,000 milliamp battery and so on, but you can just pause the video at that moment and check them out yourself. Then we have the 3 amps at 19 volts power adapter, which is quite nice. You have here this little thingy so you can wrap it up quite nicely for yourself in the rubber part. But let's check out the sound. So I'm already connected. It's easy to connect. If you turn it on, just press the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds or more until it will blink here blue on the top, and then you can check your Bluetooth settings on your phone and you can easily connect. I'm not sure if there's NFC built in, but I guess not, but you don't need it. Once you connect it once with one phone, it always connects by itself. For example, I turn it on right now and it will connect right away with my Google Pixel 2 XL. I hope. If it doesn't, I just press the button and it will. There we go. Maybe you heard it, maybe you didn't. It's the sound that you had before also. And we will play some songs at 50% volume, then I will play some songs at 80% volume, and then I will play some songs at 100% volume. And I will show you how it looks in water. So we are 50% now with Robin, Schulz and Unforgettable.
I couldn't tell you a thing about that night. Between the drinks and the blinding lights. But even if just for a moment or two, I danced with you, I danced with you, I danced with you. Stop.
So that's already quite nice at 50%. Let's play some lullaby.
Will you lay me down, make my heart the only sound? Throw my fears all to the ground. Will you hold me? Will you serenade me with the song you used to play till the night turns into day? Will you hold me? 'Cause all I need is somebody near me when my heart.
Alright, let's do a little bit of Dua Lipa. They are new and they're upcoming this year, so let's check that out.
I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun. Not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
Alright, but let's get it a little bit louder because until now it was a little bit boring. Let's do One Kiss, also with Dua Lipa, but Calvin Harris also at 80% volume.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities that look like all you need. Let me take the night, I love real easy. And I know that.
So that looks already quite good. Let's do a little bit of Mad Love and then let's go to 100% of volume.
Jiggle up your body, jiggle up your skin. Love me like that. Love me like we ain't never let go.
Oh, yo, me!
Love me like that. Poco, poco, muy, muy lento. Take your time and do it just like we were in Jamaica or New York. Love me like that. Love me, give me some mad love.
And Mad Love. So let's go to 100% and play some Lil Dicky and Freaky Friday.
Lil Dicky. Ooh. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid.
Alright, so that was okay, but it was quite clear, and that's the big difference between the first one and the second one, but there will be a separate video about that. what are the differences, how it looks from the inside, how waterproof it is, you will see now at the end, and I will do a separate video where I will just test different scenarios. But let's do one more song, and that's called XXXTENTACTION and Sad with 100% volume.
You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. God gave her everything. She took my heart and left me lonely. I think broken hearts contagious. I won't fix, I'd rather weep. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's so.
And now I think you guys had enough, and this was already it with the first unboxing and short little review about the JBL Xtreme 2, available now for about 300 bucks. More colors will come soon. Check out the JBL link on the bottom or the Amazon link also with different colors. Thank you much for tuning in, and now let's check out how waterproof it is, and you can see me also a little bit of wakeboarding if you like that. See you guys around, and till next time, peace and in the air.
I don't wanna get caught up in the rhythm of it, but I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No, no. Caught up in underneath the sunlight. Show me where you lie. I've been so into your mystery. Is it because when it feels so good, but it's bad for you? Can't stop. I don't come on back. I need your I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
She precise and exact. Good love, girl, you going so hard. Girl, you like something best when I'm spreading it to you.
Boy, I'm trying to wake up and you're making me this so bad.
Bang, bang, bang.
Love me like that. Love me like we ain't never. Heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep. Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel, exploring. Passion in the message when you smile. Take my is all it takes. Falling in love with